Welcome to the deep dive. Today we're plunging into a really crucial area of computer science and software engineering. We're talking about AI agents for data warehouse access and security. Imagine trying to navigate these huge oceans of data. Our mission is to see how AI can be, well, like an expert guide for that, enhancing productivity but also keeping things secure.
Exactly. And historically, managing data access, especially in massive warehouses like Meta's, it's just grown incredibly complex. It really became a bottleneck. Teams trying to use data efficiently, but bumping up against security risks, delays. They're often dealing with these intricate data graphs. Think of this huge web connecting all the information. So we'll explore how the older human-driven ways are evolving, integrating AI agents to, well, speed things up and manage risk.
Okay, yeah, that makes sense. So how exactly are these AI agents starting to tackle such a massive task? It sounds huge.
Well, the approach is a multi-agent system, so it's not just one giant AI. It's intentionally separated into data user agents. They help users get access, and data owner agents. They help manage access and security.
Ah, okay. Separation for clarity.
Precisely. Keeps things focused. And that data user agent, for example, it's actually made of three sort of specialized subagents. One suggests alternatives if you hit a restricted table, maybe rewrites your query. Another helps with low-risk exploration, like that partial data preview idea,
Partial preview.
like a sample.
Kinda, yeah. We'll get into that.
Yeah.
And the third agent helps craft permission requests. Eventually, it might even operate more autonomously. Then on the owner side, you have agents handling security ops based on standard procedures, proactively setting up rules. And LLMs, large language models, they're key here. They help synthesize all that hidden knowledge, that tribal knowledge that's usually just in people's heads.
That does sound powerful.
Yeah.
But how do these agents actually understand the landscape? A data warehouse isn't just a list, right? It's complex.
Right. It's definitely not simple. So it involves evolving how we represent the warehouse itself. We can convert that traditional hierarchical structure, like nested folders, into text. This gives the agents a kind of read-only map, a summary view.
A blueprint, basically.
Exactly, a blueprint. Then context management is absolutely critical. The system needs to differentiate context. Is it automatic, like system aware? Static, based on your role perhaps, or dynamic, filtered by metadata or similarity search.
Ah, okay. So it needs the why.
Yes. Understanding the why helps make smarter decisions, and intention management builds on that. Is the user just exploring data casually, or, is it midnight and they're desperately trying to fix a broken pipeline? The intention matters.
Okay, let's make this concrete.
Mm-hmm.
You mentioned partial data preview earlier. How does that work in practice?
Mhm.
And what keeps it low risk?
Yeah, great example. It's really task specific. So say you need to explore a data set, but maybe you don't need or shouldn't have full access to sensitive parts. Partial data preview gives you a glimpse, maybe a sample of rows, or maybe redacted data, like looking through frosted glass instead of an open window.
Got it.
And this involves orchestrating four key things: understanding the business need for context, really granular query-level access control, managing a data access budget like a limit.
A budget. Interesting.
Yeah, prevents overuse. And finally, employing rule-based risk management. Basically, automated checks to make sure the preview stays safe. LLMs help grasp the nuance of the business need, which is hard with just rules. But we still have analytical guardrails to ensure the agents operate within set boundaries.
That sounds incredibly sophisticated. Quite the setup. So how do you ensure a system like this stays reliable and secure?
Yeah.
Especially when it's automated.
Right. Evaluation is absolutely paramount. We use an evaluation data set with real historical requests, run it daily. This helps assess accuracy, performance, and crucially, catch any regressions anytime it gets worse.
Daily checks.
But the real core is the data flywheel. Every single decision, all the logs, the agent traces, everything is securely stored. For auditing, for feedback, data owners can then review these automated decisions, provide feedback.
And that feedback does what?
It directly helps update the evaluation metrics and can even refine the agent's models over time. It creates this continuous improvement loop, a self-improving security posture.
Oh, yeah. Constantly learning.
Exactly. And looking forward, the focus is on improving how these agents collaborate, adapting tools for agent-to-agent interaction, and, always developing better evaluation methods.
Wow, what a deep dive. It's really clear that AI agents aren't just some futuristic idea anymore. They're actively reshaping how we handle data access and security right now, especially in computer science, streamlining things that were just incredibly complex before.
Indeed they are. And it really leaves us with, well, an important question for you, the listener, to think about. As these AI agents become more and more central to managing our vast data systems, how do we strike the right balance? How do we continue to leverage their incredible efficiency gains while ensuring we maintain essential human oversight, transparency, and ultimately accountability?